Hi, hello. I'm Bear, and today I'm coming to you looking for help. Wait. Not in the way that you probably think. I want you to spend my money. Sounds weird, but hear me out. I like to write programs for fun, and also it was my birthday pretty recently, September 3rd to be exact. So, what does this have to do with anything? Well, one drunken night I had the thought, what would people spend money on if A, it was not their money, and B, it was anonymous? Staying true to my name, I did a little research and programmed a script that can facilitate just that. And here's where you come in. Depending on where you are watching this, either in the description of this video or on the post itself, you will find a link to my Twitter. All you have to do is message me on Twitter with any Amazon link, and my program will buy it automatically. You don't have to follow me, you don't have to subscribe to anything, that's it. This product can be anything, whether you want to actually get me a thoughtful gift for my birthday, or you just want to be a troll. Now, before you head off and find the most expensive thing on Amazon, there are a few rules. Rule 1, the Amazon product cannot be more than $50. Rule 2, please ensure the message you are sending me contains only the link. Rule 3, you only get one purchase. Rule 4, the link has to be from Amazon.com, meaning if you are in a different country, you have to remove your country code from the end of the URL before browsing Amazon. And lastly, Rule 5, the program stops after I reach $1,000 in items purchased or after 2 weeks have passed. All products sent to me will be opened and reviewed in an upcoming video. And yeah, that's about it. And if that's all you're worried about, go be free and spend my money. But if you are here for the coding stuff or truly worried about being anonymous, in the description of the YouTube video there is a link to a text file explaining how I ensure anonymity, and also there is a link to the code I used as well as a text file explaining how the code works. Happy birthday to me. I love you. Okay, bye.